Alright, yo, what is up guys? I'm just back here in the video. Today I'm gonna be ding-dong ditching my teacher. So first off, I'm gonna go and get my boy Christian, see if he wants to help me out. We're gonna get the drone, we're gonna fly it all around. But yeah, the problem is our front, my front of the house and her front of the house look exactly the same, like literally exactly the same. Waiting for my boy Chris. I'm gonna get my drone. I'm gonna see if he's let out first, and I'm gonna come back in my drone. This house is like right over there. It's like a house away. This bull mad ugly for no reason. Alright, this video's gonna turn out great. Also, if you guys are new to this channel, make sure you guys do subscribe. I really want to get 1 million subscribers, and that won't happen if you guys just don't subscribe. So please subscribe. It will mean a lot.
What's up?
We're gonna be ding-dong ditching my teacher.
For real?
Yeah, we're gonna use a code name. We're gonna do Miss Smith, because that's usually a common teacher name. So we're gonna call her Miss Smith for a code name, and we're gonna block out her face for privacy purposes. He knows where he lives. He lives like all the way. She lives all the way in the front of the development. So we're gonna walk over there, and we'll get back to you. Alright guys, so we're in front of the teacher's house now. We're gonna be quiet. I'm hooking up the drone. I don't think they could see us right now because I think she's probably in the living room, and their living room is back there. So yeah, I'm just gonna connect it now. I'm turning on the drone, turning this on. All right guys, so we got the drone.
Bring it down.
We're gonna launch it now, and yeah.
The home point is takeoff.
All right. Oh, it's her door.
I'll take off my shirt and be like,
Is it so quick? Oh my god.
look.
Oh. Yo, there's a dog, bro. Who is there? Bro, there's a dog. That dog's about to come after me. Bro, that's all quick. Alright guys, so we're going for part 2. The dog just got picked up by its owner. We're gonna go. I ran it like 20 times. Come out here. If you guys don't know, this is the daughter of the teacher. Alright guys, we're going in for one more time. Christian forgot to record on the regular camera.
Hey guys.
Now we're gonna leave this here. Alright, let's go.
I'm gonna go.
No, she's in the window. Oh my god. Dude, she's in the window, bro. Oh, get down, get down. No, we're going. Our house is down there. Hey, let's just call. Yo, the garage is open.
Oh, snap.
Yo, bro. No way. Guys, should we see if the door's unlocked? Wait, should we see if the door's unlocked? It's already open. What the hell? Yo, it's start now? I hate this teacher. This way, should we go this way?
Yeah, let's go.
Bro, why did we come in here? Shut up! Shut up! Yo, we need to pull it out of here.
Yeah.
We need to get out of here.
We need to get to her daughter. We need to get to the daughter.
Let's get to the daughter. You started? Okay, guys. So my store's just right out, so we have to cut it. Yeah, we fix it now. This dog, bro. Is there anything out there?
Yeah, we're good. Let's go. Gotta go upstairs. Show up the stairs. Go first.
Hey, Mom. She's upstairs then. I don't think our mom's over here. Yeah. Okay. Why do we do this? Bro, why do we do this? Bro, why do we do this? We need to get out of here. Bro.
I know.
Bro, the toilet is flushed.
Let's go get it. These are our chance.
Oh! What are we not talking about? Help! Bro, come on!
Wait up!
Look at your shoes!
Oh my god!
You've got your shoes. Are they worth it?
Those things are like $50,000. My shoes.
The shoes. We're gonna end this video now. We're gonna go back in for tomorrow's video because I don't really know what to do for tomorrow. So we're just gonna cut it here and then we're gonna do tomorrow's video now. So basically, if you guys have enjoyed, make sure you guys do smash a like, subscribe if you guys are new. I really want to hit 1 million subscribers. Follow Christel's on Instagram, links in the description. And please subscribe, it really helps a lot. And leave a like or else a crazy teacher's gonna come to your house and just kill you. And yeah, so this has been it. We're down, Tracy. Peace out.